This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating prerequisites: data quality, compute, and tools. First, inspect a sample to confirm labels and class balance, then create a minimal pipeline. Install and lock versions for your chosen framework, PyTorch or TensorFlow, and provision a GPU instance or cloud credits. Once done, initialize a Git repo, make a reproducible environment, and add a simple config file with hyperparameters, data paths, and checkpoints so you can run a quick smoke test immediately. Now you design the model and training regimen. Decide whether to fine-tune a pre-trained backbone or train a transformer from scratch. Match model size to available compute. Implement a robust training loop with data augmentation, appropriate batch size, a learning rate schedule, and mixed precision to speed up training. Make sure to log train and validation metrics, visualize a confusion matrix, and use checkpoints with early stopping and best model saving, so you can resume or roll back without losing progress or wasting resources. Finish by evaluating, optimizing, and deploying the model. Run a final holdout test and a /B comparisons, check calibration and adversarial robustness, then profile inference to find bottlenecks. Apply quantization or pruning if latency or memory is constrained, and set a real-time batching strategy if throughput matters. Finally, package into a container, add CI for model versioning, and deploy with monitoring and alerts. If results degrade, revert to the last checkpoint and inspect data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.